Hi, I will present my main project for the Material Thinking course today. This project center is creating a sustainable bag using tea and potato starch. This project not only explored the possibility of bioplastics as an alternative to traditional leather, but also explored the relationship between tea, one of China's cultural symbols, and the environment. The choice of these two materials for the bag aims to investigate how the combination of sustainability and cultural heritage can be used in fashion. While PVC has advantages in terms of durability and cost-effectiveness, it harms the environment. The tea and potato starch bioplastic I developed is biodegradable and reduces recycling costs through the tea's waste benefit. The bioplastics I have explored offer a viable alternative to traditional PVC plastics in the context of modern sustainability trends. To confirm whether my material can somewhat replace PVC plastic, I conducted a performance test experiment on it. According to the experiment, this material does not burn. It has good abrasion resistance. Best of all, it is entirely impervious to water. Next, I will describe how I made a bag prototype from this composite material. The process of making this bag is divided into a few key steps. First, add cold water and potato starch to a small saucepan and stir them well, then add white vinegar. Next, turn on low heat to heat the ingredients in the pan. When the ingredients become transparent, add the tea leaves and continue stirring. The tea leaves give the material a unique texture and color, another cultural element that gives the bag more character. After adding the tea leaves, the material turned yellow. For a better visual effect, I add expired blue eyeshadow to the glycerin, and the final material took on a green color. Then I poured the heated ingredients into a baking tray. I wanted the finished product to have a unique smoke-like texture, so I used detergent to create foam on the material. This created a unique texture on the surface of the finished product, adding to the visual appeal of the bag. Finally, based on the shape of the cardboard, I cut out the parts of the bag and sewed these parts together. This process demonstrated the material's workability and molding ability, and proved its feasibility in practical applications. The proportions of the raw materials used in this prototype have been experimented with several times. However, some things could still be improved, such as slight cracking of the material in some places during the air drying process. Tea leaves and potato starch are natural and renewable resources, and using these materials in design aligns with the need for sustainability. The design is not only environmentally responsible, but is also in line with the circular economy concept, which reduces waste generation and disposable costs by converting waste tea leaves into valuable materials. Through experimentation and application, I have verified the feasibility of this material in practical applications. The material has excellent plasticity and molding ability. Combining tea leaves and potato starch can form stable shapes during heating and cooling. This material has sufficient durability when adequately treated. In addition, this material is waterproof and can fulfill the essential functions of a handbag. In terms of surface texture, this material combines the natural texture of tea leaves with the transparent properties of potato starch. Tea leaves' natural color and dyeing ability can be used to create natural shades and patterns. Regarding sustainability, the material made from tea leaves and potato starch is fully biodegradable and does not cause long-term environmental pollution. Chinese tea culture has a long history, dating back to the time of Chen. Over time, tea has evolved from a simple beverage to a cultural and spiritual practice. Tea culture embodies an understanding and respect for the environment and a connection to the community. I want to convey respect for nature and culture through this choice of materials. Tea as a medium to connect communities symbolizes communication and connection between people. Utilizing natural materials such as tea and potato starch in modern design is not only in line with ecological chains, but also promotes social acceptance and support for sustainable design. Through this design, I aim to promote environmental awareness, modern innovations in traditional culture, and enhance cultural appreciation. That's all for my presentation. Thank you.